people. So it's so sweet now. I actually have people, like I have friends asking me that they would want a video on this particular subject. So this video is going to be very like top secret, okay? I mean, like, top secret in the sense only my female viewers need to watch this. Guy friends or male viewers can kindly close their ears or whatever. It's or not watch this thing, because with regard to periods, period pains, here we've all, like, if you are a woman, you must have experienced either cramps or pain or irritability. That is like very common. But I discovered a magic technique that can rid you of all this. I mean, and it's called menstrual cup. Like, really, you all can just Google it, and or probably find it on Amazon. And especially in a time like this, during the lockdown and all of it, again and again going to a supermarket and buying napkins and all is too much of effort. And also one major benefit about using the cup, in fact I've written an ebook on this also, if you all can check it out. Uh, be a diva by using, like, ALX cup, something cup. You'll type Amrita Suresh on Amazon, you all will find this book. Yeah, how to be a diva and switch to the menstrual cup. So basically, I think for some reason, I think it creates some kind of suction. So your cramps are also reduced greatly, because I've suffered cramps in my life where you want to just curl up in a fetal position and stay on the floor. In fact, that's the kind of thing I see. The fact that I keep recording these videos no matter what my mental state, and that probably is reflective in the quality of my videos, my mental state. And poor things, you all also, I keep inflicting you all with my videos. But really, so if you all want to, and did you know this, something as simple as eating sugar, eating chocolate, during, just before your periods, calms your mind. It's like, maybe it gives you the sugar high or something. And like, I've done a lot of reading on this particular topic, that is called macrobiotic diet, which means include water not just with your food but in your food. Strange, right? I mean, like, in terms of, they say, South Indian food is far more healthier, and it's easier to prepare also than North Indian food, simply since there's a lot of water content in the food itself. Like when you're making dosa or idli, or compared to some chola bhatura or paratha or something like that, poha. So, South Indian food, since it has water in the diet. No, I'm saying all this because period pains at some level are also indicative of overall, like, if you're overall feeling good, you will not get as bad. And if your diet is good, your period pains also will be very much in control, I think. But really, people, so I think that's what, this is a 3-minute video, I have to make it shorter. So really, and if this video is going nowhere, you can know why. Because what happens is that mood swings keep, it's what to do. But that's the kind of, I guess, it's a tax you pay for being a pretty woman. Yeah. I mean, to be born of the fairer gender. But really, people, just read happy things, be in a happy frame of mind, and and eat sweet stuff, fruits also, mangoes and all. And it can really help with all this mood swings and period pains. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.